Start by applying moisturizer to make your skin hydrated. Next is the primer to even out your skin texture. For the makeup, first is the foundation. Apply it all over your face and to your neck. As for me, I mix up my two favorite brands to achieve my skin tone. Next, apply contour powder on the side of your face and follow your bone structure. Use your blending sponge to remove the harsh lines. Apply concealer to the parts that need coverage. For the brows, this is optional. You can use two shades for the gradient effect. Start applying the darker shade on the middle to the tail of your brows, then the lighter shade on the inner part of your brows to the middle. Don't forget to blend it. Use concealer to clean your brows. My favorite part of the makeup routine is using baby powder. This is budget-friendly that will help to set your makeup. For the eyes, I use orange brown with a mix of yellow gold on the crease. And bring it down on the lower lash line. Next, apply rose gold in the center of your eyelid. Use pink highlighter on top of your eyeshadow. Also on the inner corner to brighten up your eyes. Use a brown pencil on your upper lash line and extend it. I use ink eyeliner here to make it visible. After you curl your lashes, apply mascara. Use the contour powder to your nose and blend it to remove the harsh line. Next, apply a highlighter to your cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and then the tip of your nose. For the cheeks, apply coral color following your bone structure. Then apply pink color on the apple of your cheeks and connect it to the blush. Onto the lips, apply coral shade and blend it with your finger. Then apply crimson shade on the inner part of your lips and blend it. Use concealer to clean out the outer corner of your lips. To finish your look, use a setting spray. And we're done! That's it guys for this makeup tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and follow my social media accounts again. This is okaereyes, your pretty traveler in